In today's video, we shall be looking at the DXY, that is the dollar index, by the way. I'm glad to be back after a few days of rest. I've been away for almost 12 days now, so I'm glad to be back. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the business of the day. So we're looking at dollar index, which is the DXY. So we saw that the dollar index has been moving within this triangle. Okay, so the triangle continues this way. However, at the same time, we also saw that it was trading within this channel. Alright, so this was how it was moving within this channel. So, but when it got to this very resistance of the triangle, it could not move above. Initially, we were expecting the dollars to move up and come to the top of this channel, or if that had happened, that would have been a break above this triangle resistance. Alright, and the triangle resistance did a very good job by bringing down the price and pushing the price to break below the channel support. So we got that break below the channel support, and then we got a break below this 104 area. So this was the candlestick that gave us the break. So, but we are seeing something very interesting now. We're seeing that the next day candle has just retested the broken zone, the broken area, and is now trading above it. So let me zoom out to help us see very well. So this is a clearer view. So right now we saw that the break of this channel support was at this point, then this support area was broken with this very candlestick. However, we are seeing an immediate retest of that zone that was broken, and also seeing price close above it. So this is a bullish signal in the sense that once a support or a resistance is broken and immediately is retested or is reclaimed, it's a signal that this could be a fake out, is a signal that break could be a fake out. So possibly we may be seeing this as a fake out, and that is a bullish signal. However, we have some resistance to face. We have this resistance to face the bottom of this channel, which coincides with the 105.0 area. So that would be one area we need to watch very carefully to see what happens if we able to reclaim this area, to reclaim the 105.0 area, and possibly reclaim the bottom of this channel. Then there are very good chances that we may be going above this previous highs and possibly returning to the top of this channel. That is one scenario. So we are watching to see what happens at that point. Then another thing that could happen is we could see price move into this area and find resistance, and when the price finds resistance and is unable to reclaim this very area, then we may see price drop back to these zones and possibly get to this very bottom of this triangle. So those are the two scenarios. But for now we are seeing a bullish momentum, a bullish signal, seeing that this price has just immediately reclaimed the broken supports. So certainly we will see this price come up to this to retest these very areas. Okay, reclaim this, first reclaim 104.60 area first, and then possibly challenge this 105 area. And if it's able to close above, then we're seeing more bullish signals that will be taking us up to this very 106 area. And if we're unable to reclaim this 105 and also these channel supports, then we'll be seeing price drop down back into this area. So we just need to trade carefully and watch to see what really happens. So that is exactly what we're expecting. This is not a good time to do any shorting, because some people will be shorting thinking that this is just a retest. It's not just a retest. This is a reclaim of the broken area, and it is an immediate reclaim showing the strength of the boost. And then that will always give an extended move to the opposite direction. However, like I've said, the main barrier is this point, this broken channel support. So we just need to watch to see what happens here. But in the meanwhile, buying dollars into these areas is a good game to play at this point in time, and that will reflect in GBP USD and Euro USD and other dollar pairs. So for now, this is my take on DXY. Check out my other videos on the other currency pairs. Thank you for watching and do have a great day.